Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing Indian Republic Day special nail art, and this is the design which I created. So the story behind this design is that a person staying abroad is thinking about his country, that is India. So I made a person sitting below a tree thinking about his country, and I made the sky as the Indian flag. I hope you guys like this design, and you can also create this design without the Indian flag background. You can do it with any kind of background. So if you guys like this video, then please give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So let's get started.
Like a broken soul in a wonderland without angels. That is how I feel when the mirror shows me a stranger. Yeah. And I know they're just fragments of a world where your absence all I get to see. Take me back to the planet where you and I are still meant to be. 'Cause I'm incomplete when you ain't by my side, when you don't wake up next to me. Yeah, I'm incomplete. I need you here tonight to cover up these empty sheets. 'Cause I'm incomplete. Yeah, I'm incomplete. I'm incomplete. I need you here tonight to cover up these empty sheets. 'Cause I'm incomplete. Yeah, I'm incomplete. The crack of dawn, I imagine you waiting by my doorstep. But it won't be long before I realize it's a picture in my head, in my head. And I know they're just fragments of a world where your absence all I get to see. Take me back to the planet where you and I are still meant to be. 'Cause I'm incomplete when you ain't by my side, when you don't wake up next to me. Yeah, I'm incomplete. I need you here tonight to cover up these empty sheets. 'Cause I'm incomplete. Cause I'm incomplete. I need you here tonight to cover up these empty sheets. 'Cause I'm incomplete. like a broken soul in a wonderland without angels. That is how I feel when the mirror shows me a stranger. Yeah. And I know they're just fragments of a world where your absence all I get to see. Take me back to the